All right, so we are on time. Let me kick this off. Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you for the Sitecore User Group Jaipur meetup. I'm really glad to see all of you joining us today for this online session. So today's topic is all about prompt engineering with Sitecore AI, and I would like to introduce our presenter Manu Abhishek Dwivedi, working as a technical architect at Deloitte. In this session, he'll walk us through about how prompt engineering can help us to generate high quality, consistent, and engaging content faster. So it's going to be a really great session, and thank you once again for joining. Let's get started, and over to you, Manu.
Thank you, Sumit. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Sharing my screen. I hope everyone can see my screen.
Yeah.
So, starting with the topic prompt engineering with Sidecore AI, the new skill content teams can't ignore. I mean, everyone is hearing about prompt engineering, so that's where I thought let's go towards Sidecore because Sidecore also has all the agents ready, right? So it's all there. So let's move ahead. Uh, uh, Short introduction of mine. I am Manu. I mean, my name is Manu Abhishek Dwivedi, but call me as Manu. Uh, I'm working with Deloitte as a solution architect. I am certified in almost all the version of Sitecore 8, 9, 10, XM Cloud, CDP. I am also certified in Azure, AWS, Adobe, ITL. So I'm supporting kind of full stack, and I'm also working as a full stack. But yes, majorly I'm contributing towards Sitecore only because it's been more than 12 years. I am doing development in Sitecore plus other integration. Thank you. So as a part of today's agenda, I'm audible, right?
Yeah, sorry to interrupt you. Your voice is breaking, maybe due to network issue. So you can just turn off your video and we'll get a
Okay. Okay. Uh, is it fine?
yeah better.
Okay. So as a part of agenda, first is I'll go through the introduction, then why it matters is psychology, then marketing team, because marketing team is the one who is going to use these are our content creation and generation campaign, campaigning tools. So they are the ones who are actually using these AI agentic tools, not the developers, because developers are mostly to develop and we give them a system ready. Okay, this system is ready, and yeah, you can start your things. Then what is the great prompt, and then good prompt versus bad prompt, best practices. Then there's a one more thing called skill. I will explain when the turn will come, and then evolution in the content teams. It's very important to know. Then definitely the future. What is the future behind prompt driven? Then again the last and not the least, but important as well because business values. That's where everything getting stopped and highlighted because business needs. If you want money, you need to tell business, okay, this is what you can use, and then they'll only buy your system or they will give you money to implement something. So, yep. I mean, I made it very easy. So, prompt engineering is the art of crafting PCS instruction to guide AI in generating the desired output. So, it's simple. If you want something from AI, you need to not you just not to do a simple thing like let's write, okay, give me something. No, if you want something which you desired, what you actually exactly need, then you have to tell AI what exactly you want. So that's the same thing with prompt engineering. What exactly you want, how you tell this to AI, that's what called prompt engineering. It has a lot of things like your tone, what exactly tone you need from AI, your styling, like what structure you want from AI, your context, in which context, like you are in medical domain, you are e-commerce domain, you are in sports domain, law domain, whatever domain you are. Then audience, for which audience you are going to create a content. Because as a business, like if you are running for, if you have a medical domain, selling medicines, you are sell or and then you are doing in sports. both are two different audience, and and in order to present content, you have to be very sure this content looks better for medical and this content looks better for sports. Similarly, I mean law and other domains. So that's all what you want from AI. You need to exactly tell the same thing to AI, and it's not just an easy okay. So you can tell okay, this is what I want. No, this is not the correct way. So you need to tell all the things. I want this because of this. Why this is my audience. So all of the things you will see the all the things in the next upcoming slides. So it's just a simple if you see the prompt, your goal, your audience, your tone, context, and then AI will process, and then you'll get your output. So that's all the flow. But yes, prompt is the key behind your exact or your desired output. So why it matters in Psycho AI? If you see, since Sidecore has now become Sidecore AI, so it has all lots of agents already. I mean, generative and maybe calling generative agents. So it's already integrated. So that means now Sidecore gives you the capability to do the same similar thing which you are almost getting from the Chat GPT and other tools. But yeah, now it is inbuilt inside core, so you don't need to go outside of Sidecore to do something. It's inside core. It's designed for Sidecore, which will help content teams, authoring teams, marketing teams, branding teams to get the content because initially these all things like content generation, translation, either developers are doing some kind of data fetching, integrations, crawling, or marketing team itself getting the content and then putting inside course based on the templates, all the things. But now you have agents like you have content creator, you have blog writer, you have bulk content generator, email, campaigning, all are already there. So when everything is in the side code, that means now you have to learn prompt engineering to play with those tools. So now you have to, as a developer, you have to learn additional, and as a marketer or branding or content creator also, you need to learn more. Or as a developer, you need to tell them, okay, so I have given you Sitecore AI. Now you need to learn these additional things. You need to become a more kind of prompt engineer so that you can get whatever you want. Otherwise, they'll not be able to play with it. They'll not be able to get benefits from what exactly they desire, they are paying for. I hope I'm audible, right?
Yeah.
Thank
Yes.
you. So
Uh,
if you, I have already the last time if you see your prompt is now your most important content asset. So now it is going to be an asset. You will see how it is going to be an asset. Okay. So now marketers, right? Because if you see as a developer or as an architect, they're just getting a system and giving to business. Okay. So this is your e-commerce portal. This is your medical store or another insurance portal. But what's after that? So after that, their team, their marketing team, their branding team, their content team, so they all are started working, right? So they all are actual the users. I mean, not the third party users. They are starting putting the content and all the things. So basically, if I'm going to put a proposal to a client that let's upgrade to SitecoreAI, or if they're already using SitecoreAI, then how they're going to get the benefits, right? So that's what it is all about. So the compliance thing, right? If you're generating content using prompt engineering, definitely it will be under compliance because we are telling what to generate. As reality, if you see, it's kind of amplify the things, right? And then personalization again. If you generate the prompt in one kind of atmosphere, I can say environment, or you are giving in a whole file. Okay, this is whole PDF or Word file. Generate my data from this only. So you will be again under one. You're not going searching over the web. You have one context and you're generating from it. Personalization. Why is it? Is because once you generate, AI will automatically learn, okay, what exactly you need. Because we are also giving them audience
uh,
and all the things, right? So those are those. Sorry. What?
M- Manu, sorry to disturb you again. Actually, there is some network issue.
Okay. Oh,
Sound quality is not that good, actually.
okay. Just give me 1 minute. Am I audible now?
Yep.
The cord is good now.
Yeah, it's better. Maybe you can come on video now, I guess. That should be fine.
Not that's right. That's right. So
Okay.
okay, let me continue from here. So that's what I mean, I was explaining how it's going to help marketers. So they will be under compliance, agility, and personalization because they are giving a specific prompt which is giving them a specialized, you can say personalized results because we are defining all the boundaries. Then the values which SitecoreAI drives: personalization, brand consistency, insights, speed. So these are all things you will definitely get. I'll make it short because these are more on towards the business descriptions. But yes, the speed is what the one thing which is something going to get really very fast because with the prompt we will generate things, we will translate very very fast. In within 1 minute you can generate a whole blog. So I'm also doing these things and I'm getting the very very fastest speed. So definitely, I mean, within 1 minute, huge blog is already ready. But yes, it requires some refinement and all. But yes, these things definitely will going to drive. So, and the anatomy of good prompt. So to write a prompt, you need a context, your goal, then audience, right? For which audience you're going to generate, then tone, like a formal, friendly, or like that. Because you have to set a tone as well. I'll give you an example, then you'll get to know what exactly these mean. Constraints like the limit and words, all the things. Example also you can give. You can give what styling as well. I mean, styling is not mentioned here, but yes, you can put like in the constraints. You can also put like word limit, keywords, heading, subheading, what exactly you want. So as a simple structure, if you see, generate a type like your type of content for audience with tone focusing on goal. So this is just a simple example, very very simple, very very straightforward. Let's come to bad versus a good prompt. So uh, even before that, right? Uh, Let me start this video. So I mean, due to some security issues, I mean, I'm not able to walk you through the live site. But yes, I have already recorded a video which will give you an I mean insight how what I'm saying about prompt and how it is generating in the real world. So in the side core, we have an side core AI, we have an agentic option. So you should be in the role to see agentic, and then agentic. If you go to agentic, you will see all the agents. But yeah, in order to use any agent, so I'll go through here. So if Cycle has all the agents, but yes, if you're going to use any agent, then first you have to create a space. So if I mean, I have not called it out, but yes, I'm just telling. So if you go to agents, select like if you want to use any like a content creator or blog writer, select when the moment you will click on the agent, it will give you an option to put a space because space is what where you will see all your agents in kind of it's kind of a folder for you. So like if multiple people are working on multiple different type of I mean tasks. So like I am working on content creator and blog. So I can get my space. All the things related to me will be there. So it's a very good thing. I mean, when it's a space as a definition as well, it is a more specific towards a specific task, and it is in the context. So like one author is working on one task, so they can have their own space. But yes, The same content or AI agent can be utilized in multiple spaces, but yes, whatever the one is under one space, it will be there. So all the history, everything, it will be there. So that's the differentiator. And yes, it's kind of shared as well. So if multiple people want to use the same, they can use the same. But yes, it will create a space. Under space, you will have your all the agents. So like I created already a space prompt engineering. So once I create the space, you will see your agent. I added two agents, content generator and blog writer. Let me go back here. So if you have already seen, so if you see, I went through my space and you can see two different spaces, prompt engineering and test. So prompt engineering is what I created, and my two of the agents besides here, and whatever I did till now, it has all the data, all the history. So all the context belongs to my prompts, my data. It is already there. So it's a kind of chain. So prompt will learn by. I mean, AI is learning by whatever you are searching, by whatever you are doing. So it's already an intelligence. So if you see already, I given lots of prompts. But yeah, let's go with a new one. So there's a chat option. Okay. So one option is to go in the right hand side, since there are lots of already generated, so you're not able to see. But yes, one option is to whenever you start agent, it will give you an option to put your input, or you can go to your space and then go to chat. So is chat is what will give you the same option to put input and then start your content creation and content generation. So I hope I'm audible, right, Sumit?
Yes, yes.
So yeah, so click on chat and then if you see here you will get option put your input a prompt basically that's where we are starting a prompt. So I written a prompt, write a product description for a blood pressure monitor. So in the context of medical domain, I have written a prompt. I need some description about it. So if you see all the agents are listing here, I'm selecting content generator. So, and let's click on the arrow. It has couple of options. I will explain later. I'm focusing on the prompt only this time. So similarly, you can do a blog writer blog as well. So you can just change it to blog and then you can do a same prompt. It will give you a whole blog itself. Yeah, now it is thinking. It means it is taking time. It will take around 40 to 50 or 60, sometime 2 minutes as well. But yes, it will take some time. It's not very quick. It will take some time. Again, I'm iterating. I have just given a prompt. So I can call I'm calling it as a bad prompt because it has nothing, right? It just has a give me a description of that pressure monitor. I mean this is something I want, but later I know I don't want it. So I'll tell you why this is wrong prompt and why this is not what I want.
Manu, I have a
So
question. Hi, this is Kuldeep here. Can I ask, or should we ask after uh,
I mean
the
if it is
present?
a quick one, if it is a quick one, definitely you go
Yeah,
ahead.
yeah. So this is quick one. Is there any limitation that we can have like n number of prompts in Sitecore with respect to the license we have or the subscription we have?
Yes, there are restrictions. I missed to put it here, but yes, those licenses are depend upon your the AI agent license. So it's part of billing.
Okay,
I'll get
okay,
it for you. I mean not today, but yeah later on. Connect with
no
me. But
issues.
yes, there's a limit
Okay,
on the
mm,
content generation. How much content you can generate? Not the prompt,
okay.
but yeah, overall content count.
Okay, okay. And one more quick one. Like we have the out of the box prompt here, right? Like content generator or translator. Can we have our custom prompts as well?
Yes. So
Can we? Okay,
these are you can't say these are the prompt. These are type of prompt, but yeah, these are not prompt. They are the agents. Yes, you
right.
can have your custom one as well, definitely. But yes,
Okay.
for that you will have certain things. I will explain in the same topic. How I'm going forward, we
Sure,
will
sure,
have
sure.
one
Thanks.
topic
Yeah. Okay.
where you will get to know how these agents are getting created. So, so if you see, it took around 1 minute. and now I have got my dissolved output, right? So product descriptions for see, pulse care. So it has heading, it has some description, it has key features, a lot many things, right? See how much data it has given to me. So keep scrolling. So order now. In order now, it has given me all the data. So is it good or bad? I mean, as a developer, you can say, "Ah, it is very good. I got the content." But as a marketer, as a brand, as a content author, it is not good because I have got the content, but it will take more than 1 2 hours for me to to make it short, to make it like what I can use on my site, right? So I put more and more time after generating a prompt. I have to now put more time to correct it, to simplify it, or to make it according to me because it has the features and all the things. That's what I don't want. The same thing I said earlier that I I said I need a description. I got the description, but that's not correct. It is it will kill my more time. So if I want a paragraph to write somewhere and I got a whole page, see, it's very hard for you to in the whole page and make it short. That's where prompt engineering will help you to save your time. Now I'm writing one more prompt. So if you see this time I have written again. Now the prompt is quite big, but yeah, it's a simple template. You can we'll give it to authoring team and marketing team. They can store it. So write a 120 word product description for an FDA cleared home blood pressure monitor sold on a medical e-commerce website. Audience is 45 because my device itself is for more than 45. Tone trustworthy, simple, professional. Focus on ease use case, cut off comfort, large display, memory storage. Do not make statement claims, right? In with a clear CT. See, now I am giving you more personalized prompt. Now I get exactly what or is nearby what I need. Again, couple of things are missing. Like so as an example, like I have a template. I have some branding for product pages. There I have to give generate a content which has a title, subheading, heading like that. So this prompt also we can put the same thing from a separated uh, create a heading, subheading, description. So this will give you I mean the similar structure. It will give you heading, subheading, and description so that you can convert it directly. So as of now, I have not given those things, but yes, you are open to give those many options and where you get your structured more structured, which is matching to your template because we are not generating it, right? We have to use it. So for you to use it, you need to convert it. If you see now I have very short description, and possibly this will be fine. I'll just put 5 to 10 minutes. I miss a marketer or the content creator. They'll just put 5 to 10 minutes. They will see, okay. They'll just review it. Okay, it's all fine. Okay, looking good. Or no claims and all. No nothing buy or like that. Simple. Okay. Now what to do? What next is convert. So convert is another option. Uh, because it's not generate always you generate, right? So after generation you need to use it. So once you click on convert, right? So it will give you option which site collection and then which site. So once you select both of them, then again in the next step you have to select the template and then folder where you know how to convert. So it will automatically convert this content directly to your actual content tree. So whole loop will be completed. So that's all whole workflow here behind the giving a prompt, getting data and converting it to actual content so that you can use it as a data source in your page in your whatever area you want. Any questions here? I hope I'm audible, right?
Yeah, yeah, we can take it last. Yeah, you can just go ahead.
So what I have just told you, bad versus good prompt. So I've already given an example, like write a product description. Definitely it's a bad prompt because it will not give you what exactly I want. It will definitely give you something, but again I will put more time. I will waste my time to correct it, to make it shorter. So go with a good prompt so that we will get what exactly we need. So demo I've already shown you. Best practices here. So be clear and specific, define audience, tone, iterate, refine prompts, combine AI, I mean human review, because definitely I said that it requires a review. Build reusable prompt library. So yes, that's something which is still missing. We can't you can't save your prompt in Sitecore, but yeah, you can see in the history. You can get it. Definitely might be Sitecore is working towards saving a prompt as well. We have another option. I'll tell you later, I mean, later in the same slide. But yes, for now we don't have any option as of now. But yes, we can build something, or we can store prompts in somewhere in the text file in the media or in the data source, and we can ask authoring team, marketing team, if you want to generate this page data for product page, you just go to this file and just copy the prompt, change the topic. If you want to, I mean, have some branding page, so copy this prompt, just change it and use it. So we need to give them branding. We have as a developer, as an architect, or mostly on the, we have to train them, or we have to give them files so that it will be easy for them. Because not they are not they might not be trained in the AI or prompt engineering, so we have to train them as well. Again, the same thing: define, prompt, generate, evaluate, review. I mean, review, optimize, again define. So it's like a cycle. I mean, it could be correct, it could be wrong, but it won't take more than 10 to 15 minutes, right, to have whole content. So again, I added one more topic here: skill. Uh, it's a question what will be asked, and it is so we are giving prompt is kind of one way, but AI agentic AI giving you more options. Like we have blog creator, right, as an agent. What blog writer what exactly is doing, how exactly is doing. So it is doing things behind the scenes. There's a file called skill.md. I'm not providing more details. I have separate webinar for that. But yes, there we are defining the structure, how AI is going to reply, how AI is going to present your output. So that's where whole magic we can say belongs. So with a from an output to from a structured output. So skill or skill.md file where you are defining what exactly output you want. And it could have multiple workflows as well. So not today, but tomorrow, definitely, when everyone shift towards SitecoreAI or who have already shifted, they might be started working on the skill file so that uh, because like everyday content things, like if you're working with a very huge big clients, enterprise level clients, so every day they are creating hundreds of pages. They are translating it, multiple languages, multilingual sites, all the countries, multiple countries are there. So they are putting lots of hours. So they will definitely ask, give me very easy way to generate a brand. I mean, a branding content or a product description or a whole product page with images. So that's where skill you have to train your agents use this skill so that it will be easy. They'll get what exactly they want. So it's a next is I mean next step, but yes, it will definitely come to your bucket as a developer or as an AI expert. So whatever I have just explained, replacing repetitive long prompts, structured instructions. So all of the things are there in the skill file, and the Spot Sitecore is also using the content creator, bulk content generator. So those are kind of structure, very structured. Like we have content creator and when we have block generator. Both are generating content, but both have different things. Content generator is generating anything, but blog generator will definitely generate a blog which have a title, subtitle, heading, key features, all the things. Because it's set as a desired output. So if you want to generate create your a new agent, so you need to learn how to write a skill.md file, and then definitely you will be having your new agent ready in the site code. So yep, that's another way. So now come to evolution of content teams because it is definitely easy, right? Okay, here we have written the prompt. Okay, or prompt, it's fine. But what exactly is going to happen now? When you are going to give a Sitecore AI to a client, what things are exactly going to change? As a developer lens, you will say, okay, nothing. Okay, it's all things, the same thing, content tree and everything is there. But as a marketer, as a branding, the main change here is before content writers, editors, now prompt designers, AI content reviewers, AI governance lead. See, we are going to, or your client is going to hire these new people. If your content team is not going to write a good prompt, they're not good at review, then they might lose their job or they have to replace. So now client will hire someone who is good in prompt engineering, who is going in reviewing the things. And then the governance related things. So these jobs are getting going to change. It will not be same as it is. And as a developer also, your job is not just to provide them. Now your job is much more than that. You have to give them, you have to migrate the content in SitecoreAI. You have to create a template. But yes, now you have to give them prompt as well. You have to give them skills as well. Okay, so use these prompts to generate content for this template. So there's those additional things coming to your bucket. So it's kind of in the both things. So it's not the same thing, same migration. Okay, migrated to action cloud. Okay, it's done. No, it is going to be more than that. Migrating to Sitecore AI. Okay, now you have to do these additional work, and that's also going to be a kind of um, um, uh, a better thing for you. So if you're getting a proposal for a migration or upgrade, you can put these things in the presentation, in the proposal, that these are the new things I'm going to provide you. It will save money, it will save cost, it will save your time. So when definitely client will say I'm saving things, definitely they will be more interested towards migration or upgradation towards Sitecore AI if they are not using it, or they are putting lots of money in the content creation, translation. Definitely, clients are paying lots of money in the translation. They are putting lots of money. I have seen in one company, there are 45 content writers are there. Now, beside Core AI, they don't no need. They need just 5 to 10 content writers, or you can say prompt designers and reviewers. That's it. See how much they are saving. Time is, they are also saying going to save time. The role is changing, and we have to think on that AI lens. Okay, this is what we are doing Psycho AI now. These roles are in priority. See, if you see the last line, content teams are becoming AI strategists. So it's not the same content team. We are migrating, they also have to upgrade themselves. The future of CMS in prompt driven. Okay, what is going to be future? We are already in the future, already, but yes, what exactly the next future in the AI? So pre-built prompt templates. I already called it all right. So we have to give them some pre-built templates, prompt templates, not the data templates. Data templates is already there. To create the data, we need a prompt. So we need to create pre-built prompt templates, or somehow we need to find a way to attach those things with the Sidecore AI, and definitely it will come. Sidecore will also provide those things, or some developers will develop those kind of options. AI assistant prompt solution. So now with prompt, we have to also we are going to see AI which is going to suggest you prompt as well. So it will again make your life easier. Self-optimizing prompts definitely, because once you are having a prompt, you need a self-optimizing prompt. Why I'm saying these things? So don't consider just a simple prompt, right? So if you have to generate a whole analysis data for marketing, like your business review, fourth quarter, like that, all the money and all, it requires a very very big prompt, right? So that's where AI will going to help you uh, in future also, how we can create the prompt, how can we what all pre-built templates we can use. Definitely, it is going there, because what example I've given, it's very very simple. But yeah, what team is doing, it's very very big task they are doing. So if you see the last thing, prompt will soon become reusable digital asset. That is going to be earlier we were saying templates are reusable assets. Data is going to be reusable assets, right? We are going to be reusing it. Here module itself, we are reusing our modules, cycle modules. But now prompt will also add on to the same set, and it will be reusable. And definitely, what I've shown you, what I'm telling you, you are getting idea how come how bigger picture is there. because Psycho AI is there, we have AI agents, and prompt is what going to drive them. So the last topic, business values and next system, because it's all ended here, right? Um, if you have, we want money from business, or as a business, you are savings, you want to save money. What exactly benefits you are going to get? If you see 47 around percent, that's all higher engagement. Because if a content writer is going to write a content, you're not sure if it is high engaging or not, or it's personalized or not. But yes, if AI is generating content, 99% we are sure, because yeah, we just need to do a review. So with the review, we get to know, okay, it is good. And we have already trained the AI system, given a kind of a prompt, which is giving me high engaging content. You can also try, it will give you those kind of content which is very, very high engaging, right? High engaging, you know how, what is the meaning of high engaging, like if you're putting a blog or you're putting a high engaging blog. So those are two different things. You are just putting a simple text, you are putting an image and all the things. So those are going to put a difference to high engaging. 35%, if you see, 35% is very, very big amount, right? If you have 20, 30 content writers, translators paying money, 35% reduction is time to market, right? It's very, very huge. So you are very, very quick because of this AI things, farm things. Then 99% brand compliance. That means whatever we are generating, we know it decides to our brand, because we have already given the context. I mean, if you are generating something based on the file, based on the documents, Word document, PDF, so it will be under compliance, because AI is already smart. It will not go beyond that. See, these benefits are going to get, and overall, it is going to save business time, their money, and yes, they will be more faster towards market. So all the benefits, it's all going to get, and yeah, prompt is the only key feature here. So thank you everyone. I have done with all the data and content I have around the prompt engineering. Thank you.
Thanks, Manu. Uh, Let us know if anybody has any questions, and maybe we can cover that out.
No, Rico, we just appreciate the effort and hard work that is involved in preparing this deck and getting involved with the community and sharing that with the community. We appreciate that.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Samira.
So
Yeah.
I mean, anyone want? Yeah, Mohit, go
Yeah.
ahead.
Yeah, any documentation is there for the agent creation? Means for writing any starter kit present for
So
creating these agents?
I mean, as of now, you already have a couple of ready-made agents. There are not much documents available to create agents, but yes, there are so few documents. But yes, you need to, learn additional things like skill and all the things to go to that level. Because you can create an agent easily, but skill creation and then testing, those area is kind of little gray. I think Psycho is already working on, and other developers are also working on to put more details. But yes, it will be there soon. I mean, as of now, not much things are there, but yes, few things are there. Definitely, you can go and read. So by yourself, definitely you can try, and other things you have to learn to create the whole. So Sidecode is given a very, very simple example, simple thing. Okay, so use this, put a skill file, that's all. But yeah, there's no option to test it if it's not working, because I am struggling since long. Couple of files are not working, so I'm struggling. But yes, soon it will be there. Yep.
Okay, I guess we don't have any more questions. So thanks a lot, Manu, for the great insight. And definitely it will help the people to go over the Sitecore AI and try out something with different prompts.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Ingo. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thanks all
Thanks,
for
Manu.
joining. Yep,
So, bye bye.
Thanks for the
bye.
insightful session, Manu. Great.
You can leave. Bye.
Thanks, Manu.
You. Thank you, Manu.